Now repeat after me. Rucking, rucking, rucking. Welcome to English Dictionary Infinity, where we help you perfect your pronunciation and expand your vocabulary one word at a time. Meaning. Rucking is a form of exercise where you walk or hike while carrying a heavy backpack or load. It's a great way to build strength and endurance, and it's popular among military personnel and fitness enthusiasts. Think of it like this. Instead of just walking, rucking adds extra weight to your workout, making it more challenging and beneficial for building muscle. In a sentence, he enjoys rucking on weekends, carrying a 30-pound backpack through the woods. In this sentence, rucking refers to hiking with extra weight. Let's try another example. Rucking has become a popular fitness trend for people looking to add intensity to their walks. Synonyms. Now let's talk about words that mean the same thing. Some synonyms of rucking are weighted walking, walking while carrying extra weight to increase the intensity. Load-bearing hiking, hiking with a heavy backpack or load. Military-style fitness, a fitness routine inspired by military training, which often involves carrying heavy gear. Antonyms. The opposite of rucking would be words like light walking, walking without carrying extra weight. Strolling, a relaxed, easy walk with no additional effort. So, while rucking is about making your walks more challenging, these words describe easier forms of walking. Part of speech. Rucking is a verb, which means it's an action carrying weight while walking or hiking. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to keep building your vocabulary with us at English Dictionary Infinity. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for more words and pronunciation tips. See you next time.